In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a serious warning about cleaning your PS5 controller using these individually packaged alcohol-based cleaning wipes. Now, I know that using these are a pretty popular way to clean your DualSense controller, and even I have used these from time to time in the past. But I really want to let you guys in on a common trend that's been happening where over time, the action buttons on these DualSense controllers are starting to crack because of a supposed reaction with the alcohol and the type of plastic that's used for the DualSense buttons. Now, in case you're wondering, this is what it looks like, and everyone that's experienced this has either been using cleaning wipes or rubbing alcohol to clean their controller. So obviously you don't want to just not clean your DualSense, because otherwise it's going to get very dirty over time due to the color and the textured grip on the back. So my recommendations are a few things. Number one, you can keep using the cleaning wipes, but moving forward, I suggest you avoid direct contact with the action buttons as well as the directional arrows due to the type of plastic and risk of cracking. Or number two, you can stop using cleaning wipes and switch to a cheap electronic cleaning spray like this one here that's both alcohol and ammonia free. And in my opinion, this is a very safe and effective way to clean your DualSense. Now, number three is actually baby wipes, which are for the most part a common household item that a lot of people use to clean their controller. But I would still be careful since most of these baby wipes contain water as the main ingredient, and some even have moisturizing additives that can leave behind a residue. So overall, if you're going to use baby wipes, just make sure that you take the extra time to completely wipe down the controller afterwards with a dry cloth. Now, finally, this leads us to my last recommendation, which is to simply follow the PlayStation 5 user guide, which says to just use a dry cloth to wipe down and clean the controller. So there you guys have it. Now you know how to avoid damaging the buttons on the DualSense when cleaning your PlayStation 5 controller. Make sure to leave a like rating if you enjoyed, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you.